Manufacturing operations can produce thousands of data points a day that can hold the key to increasing productivity. HP 3D Center puts this data at your fingertips in one centralized place, bringing visibility and control into your manufacturing processes, so you can boost your uptime and productivity. Using remote device monitoring, HP 3D Center gives you a complete view of your fleet's production activity, as well as detailed data from each printer, including usage of supplies and consumables, and predicted replacement dates. And you can manage all your device maintenance tasks with ease, learning more about each alert and getting instant access to HP support if needed. On the factory floor, HP 3D Center keeps your operators up to date with real-time production data. While behind the scenes, you can monitor your production's KPIs and gain detailed insights into machine behavior and factory operations. 3D Center also centralizes your support cases, allowing you to open and track any case via the service center. And you can access your printer's technical documentation in the Knowledge Zone. A basic version of HP 3D Center is available for free. Simply go to hp3dcenter.com and enter your HP Print OS account details. You can add as many team members as you need, with different roles and responsibilities. And at any time, you can start a free 60-day trial of HP 3D Center Premium for advanced device and KPI monitoring and data analysis. HP 3D Center, a centralized, easy-to-use, cloud-based dashboard that gives full visibility and control over the manufacturing process, so you can boost your uptime and productivity.